Christmas memories.
Hello guys, and welcome back to episode 8 of Vlogmas. So now I have just showered. It is hair washing day, so therefore I have showered my hair and now I'm ready to make some breakfast. My breakfast will be ciabatta with egg salad. So yeah. So now we are back from the city, and as you can see I picked up something from Loewe, and this is something that I had them put aside for me so I could think about it, and because it wasn't the right color that I initially wanted, but in the end I wanted it, so therefore I ended up buying something. So before we unbox that, I'm going to talk a little bit about the bag situation at Hermes, because as you might know, I got offered a new bag at Hermes this week, and it was a Kelly 25 in Vert Yucca, which is a new color, and it was in cellular Epsom with gold hardware. It is a very beautiful bag. But I ended up saying no to it in the end because I felt that it was way too similar for the bag that I already have. For reference, I have a Kelly 28 in Vert Jade, cellular Epsom with gold hardware. Even though it's two different types of green colors, I felt that the usage and the situations that I would use this bag versus the Vert Jade bag that I already have, I felt that the situations were pretty much the same. And as for now, I feel that my collection isn't that big, so therefore I would rather have a variety of bags instead of a specific color and type of bag, if that makes any sense. I just want to have my needs fulfilled before I can buy similar bags. So the one that I feel that I need the most now is a mini Kelly. Therefore I'm sticking with my plan and trying for a mini Kelly. I know it is a very hard bag to get, but still it is a bag that I really would like. And I have said that many times before, that it isn't because it is a popular bag. I don't care about that. The only thing I care about is that the bag suits my needs. For example, the bag that I got from Cafoon, which is a little bit similar to a mini Kelly when it comes to size and also design. I have used it nearly every day because it is just an easy bag to throw on and fits everything that I have with me. It doesn't matter the size of the bag. I'm always bringing just 2 or 3 items in my bag, and that is card holder, lipstick, and sometimes keys. That's it. That's the only things that I have in my bag, except for my travel bags. So I said no to it, and I tried on a very beautiful orange mini Kelly today. It was very beautiful and I really want it. It's a perfect orange shade. It was orange with a hint of brown. It was beautiful. But I didn't end up with any bags today. And I also went to Chanel to try my luck there to see if they have a bag that I have wanted for a long time, but they didn't have it. So I wasn't going home with a bag from Chanel either. And then I went to Loewe and I was in a very shopping mood, but I ended up buying the one thing that I planned to buy. But over to the Loewe unboxing, we are going to unbox this one now. It is something that I have talked a little bit on my Instagram stories. And I really wanted to get one. So here is my new Loewe hat. So this one is in gray and it says Loewe here. And I think this is the perfect beanie because I don't like when beanies are sticking up that much and way too large. And I feel that this is the perfect length. So therefore I got it. And initially I wanted the beige one, but they didn't have it in stock because it's way too popular here in Norway at least. But here is my new beanie, but I think it matches my new hair very good. So yeah, I think it will be a very good thing to have in the winter time now, because it is quite cold here in Norway and I'm not that used to it because I was getting used to the Paris weather, which was very hot, and now it is very, very cold here in Norway. And yeah, so therefore I think this one is going to be a lot used. I hope that the bag is being offered to somebody who really wants it, and that this is a potential dream bag for somebody else. I hope so. And yeah, so that was the things that I have done earlier today. Now I'm going to make food. I also filmed the advent calendar. I'm so happy that I finally managed to do that. But for the rest of the day, I think I'm going to just relax a little bit, make food, watch some TV, and maybe start cleaning our apartment a little bit, because tomorrow I'm having guests. So therefore I need to go out and buy something and also make dinner for them. And yeah, I just have to make it a little bit more cozier here. Now let's go and make some dinner. So now it is some hours later and we have eaten homemade pizza and watched some TV, and it was a lazy evening. But I think it was much needed because I have so much things happening, especially after I filmed the advent calendar today and that I'm going to cook dinner for my friends tomorrow. But something that I forgot to show you guys is this one. It's from Prada and it's the cleanser. I haven't tried anything from the Prada beauty line yet, but I'm very excited to try this one. The packaging is very extra and it's giving very Prada vibes, and also you have the Prada logo underneath here. So I'm very excited to try this one. And yeah, it also smells very good, and you can also see here it's green, so it's very detailed, I would say, and it looks very luxurious. So yeah, that was a product that I haven't showed you, but yeah, I'm going to cook dinner tomorrow, so therefore I'm thinking about ending this vlog here now, because I have so much things that I need to do before the dinner tomorrow. I'm also going to go out and buy some more plates because I need some more for my guests. I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas episode, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And if you are not done watching me yet, here is another video, and goodbye.